Hello, in this video I want to show you how to record a screen on your Onyx Boox Note 5. To do this, we'll need to scroll down in the notification bar. Right here you can see the screen recording button. Click on it, you'll be able to add this screen recording toolbar. Here to begin, you'll need to click on the circle and click Start Now. It should start the screen recording. To stop it and save it, click on this button again. Here you will see your screen recording. You'll be able to open it and view the file. To disable the toolbar, click on the X button and it should be removed from your screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.